Nothing Phone 3 is the most anticipated phone of the year and brings a bold redesign along with several generation specs upgrade. The Glyph interface has evolved into the Glyph Matrix, a monochrome LED display located on the top left corner of the back. Comprising of around 489 individual light LEDs, it opens a new dimension for notification and utility. The dot matrix style screen shows incoming notification like caller ID, app specific messages, animation, and system status info. As is the norm with Nothing, there is an element of customization with the ability to assign custom icons to contacts and watch faces. Nothing is bringing Glyph Toys, a series of micro experiences that include Glyph Mirror, Solar Clock, Stopwatch, Battery Indicator, and games like Spin the Bottle. You can toggle between different modes on the Glyph Matrix via a dedicated Glyph button. Speaking of the back, it looks even more polarizing than rest of the previous Nothing phones. There's an asymmetric layout for trio of 50 megapixel camera headlined by the 1 by 1.3-inch main sensor with OIS. You get a 70 mm equivalent 50 megapixel 3x optical zoom camera with telemacro capabilities, which you can shoot distance from 10 centimeter away. Your third camera has a 114-degree 50 megapixel ultrawide lens. It has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a Full HD plus resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, 4500 nits at peak brightness, paired with uniform display bezel with 2160 pWm dimming for flicker-free experience. You get a 50 megapixel selfie camera with embedded fingerprint scanner. You get Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset paired with 12 or 16 GB of RAM, 256 or 512 GB of storage. You get 5150 milliampere silicon carbon battery with 65-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. You get IP68 ingress protection. The software is Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15. Nothing has confirmed that you will get 5 years of Android updates and 7 years of security patches. It comes in black and white colors. The 12 256 GB variant will retail for $799 and the 16 512 GB variant will retail for $899. The pricing is absolutely ridiculous. Pre-orders begins on July 4th and first sales comes on July 15th.